What's up, online shoppers? It's winter time and I just got myself a brand new NZK 13-volt cordless electric snow shovel to make shoveling my walkway easier. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. Parts, look at this. Not a lot of assembly required. I like that. Plastic off the handle, and this just actually, looks like it just feeds in just like that. Pretty cool. Now there are screws that come with it for connecting it. This is also the power, right? And their power cord. There we go there. And all we have to do is put some screws in here to secure this. Pretty cool. Instruction manual. Ooh. Gloves, handle. Here's the 20-volt lithium battery, the charger. Now, as far as parts assembly, you take this out of the box, connect the handle. You get these two little turn knobs. They're gonna go into both sections here of the handle to lock it in place. And then you also have this, which is your leverage handle. Let's put this together. Now, the cool thing about these bolts is that they have a hex end, and that's gonna fit into a square opening here. So it's gonna lock it right in place when we put them together. You don't want the cord to be in the way. So insert the locking screw so you get it to fit into the square end. And then you put on the washer. And put on the knob. And give that a tighten. So you've now locked that in place. We're gonna do the same thing with this one right here. Make sure it lines up right. That. There we go. Washer, knob. And that's locked in place. Tighten that up nice, tighten that up nice. And finally, your handle. This, again, is gonna go the same way. There's openings here. You take the knob off, move the bolt. There we go. And tighten that one up. You can tighten this so you get your handle as you would like it. Now, the cool thing about this is you can adjust this upper handle as you like just by loosening your knob here and then tightening it a little bit so you can get the right fit for you, for your height. This is a pretty handy, awesome little machine. It's got an all plastic blade in here that when you push it is going to pick up the snow, throw it out the top. It's gonna slide just like that along your surface, and you can make some adjustments here if you want them, depending on which direction you want the snow to go. You can direct it to one side, to another side. You can even keep it straight up if you want it. That just depends on your personal preference. Maybe you want to put it all to one side because you're doing a sidewalk. Total weight on this is about 9.5 pounds. The battery gets installed right up here at the top. Really easy installation. You literally just slide it in place and it is there. You've got a light indicator here on the battery that'll tell you how much charge you have, just like that. And your controls on the handle right there. So you've got a locking mechanism there, and you've got a power lever there. Now, if you want to release the battery, there is a small release button, and then you can just wiggle it right up like that. So it does go in really nice and easy. And as far as controls, you can decide how you want this to work. As far as how comfortable it is, I love that I can adjust this handle right here so I can give some good push with it. I love how light it is. Definitely something that's convenient. Not everybody can afford a snowblower, but this is definitely something that is mid-range. Then I'm not doing a bunch of shoveling that's breaking my back. Your on and off switch is right here on the corner like that. All you have to do is turn it on and control it with your handle. You can see it moving. There you go. There is your cordless electric snow shovel. I am really impressed with this little machine. And look at this. This is an LED rechargeable lamp that you can put right on your snow thrower so that you can see where you're going when it gets dark. All you have to do is just stretch this strap around your handle like this and install it for light while you are throwing snow. Then you just have to turn it on. Look how bright that is. That is a bright little light. And of course, it is rechargeable. So all you have to do is plug it in, charge it, and you are ready to rock and roll again. The other cool thing about it is you can change from bright to brighter, a long press to shut it off. So a couple more things about this really awesome little machine. This one here has fast charging capabilities, and it will charge in just about an hour. As well, you're gonna get 25 solid heavy minutes of pushing snow before you need to have a recharge. I am super impressed with this cordless electric snow thrower. There's lots of really genius features in this. I love the adjustable handle so I can make the fit comfortable for my body and my height. I love how easy this little battery comes off. Push and away go, just like that. Awesome. I love that the controls are in the handle, so it's easy for me to operate. I love that it only weighs about 9.5 pounds. And I love too that I can collapse this down for storage when it's not the winter months, or even if I want to keep it in the back of my car and travel with it, it will collapse down really small. They give you mitts, and they also give you this great little lamp for attaching onto your shovel wherever you think it's convenient, so you can see when it's dark. The company has really good customer service and a hotline. Here is the company name, MCK, so they call it Magic Zacker. Keep life fantastic. I think that is an amazing slogan. And with that being said, I'm totally looking forward to keeping this busy in my own life here in Northern Ontario. I just showed you the footage that looks pretty amazing of it in use in the snow, but I mean like really putting it to use this winter. I think this cordless electric snow shovel is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.